We are in the Rao's study circle where the protest is going on the death of three students who lost their life due to some waterlogging conditions happened on that fatal day. I will talk with some of the students of this coaching centers, not only Rao's, but other coaching centers too, who are here to fulfill their dream of UPSC, to be an IAS, IPS or IFS, the top elite jobs here in this country. Some of the students are here. I just want to take your reaction first. There are reports, alleged reports that not only three, but maybe more than three may have lost their life. What's your take on that?
Administration and police should inform us the report with the proper CCTV footage or the proper proofs should be provided, and we should get to know that what numbers of people are injured, what number of people are actually died, and who are missing.
So why you are claiming that more than three have lost their life, or maybe in that mishap? Casualties,
It's
yeah.
some instances that students have seen
Okay.
passing more ambulance from here. So that's why students are claiming that maybe more than three people have lost their
We
lives.
actually just now talked with some students. They are saying that NDRF team members who were present there at that time said that no, it's not three, it's more than three, because obviously there is a library and most students should be there. So what's the basis of the report? You are claiming that no, it's not three, it's more than three, and the government is covering up this issue.
It's because most of the students here are telling this
Yeah.
issue that it's more than three.
Okay.
So that's why we need a confirmation about this. We need proofs about this.
Okay.
Sir, I would like to
Yeah.
add one point that if the library is so advanced that there is biometric security is there, CCTV security is there, so I would like to urge the government and authorities that they should confirm it not just by telling the number but by verifying the CCTV and biometric data that how many casualties are there.
Just now, the Governor was also here. So, what did you tell to Lieutenant Governor, and what did he say?
Yes, we were the delegations went to the Lieutenant Governor. We put this all our demands in front of him, and he assured us that he will hold a meeting on this, and he will take collective actions to address our concerns and our issues.
Okay. Regarding the condition of the coaching institutes here, you are also studying here and you want to fulfill your IS dream. There are lots of students from remote places in this country. This is an incident. How many of these places are like there is no fire safety? There are this kind of places there in this Rajendra Nagar.
Education is made a business for sure. Here rent is high. For a smallest of smallest room, here rent is 15,000, 20,000, goes up to 40 to 45,000. And coaching institute fees are too much. And then also they are demanding fees and prices from us. But then also they are not providing proper safety. They are making the kitchen as a rooms and making it like a partition and then providing it to students with a high rent. So our safety is not seen here, and this issue should be addressed. This aggression among the students is because of this only.
Right.
So for just a small 10 by 10 room, they will charge you around 20,000 and electricity is
20,000
for month.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, for students, single room, 10 by 10 room.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
excluding electricity, excluding security deposit, brokerage is different. Then means whole cartelization is there.
Okay.
And after paying that also, then when you enter any of these gullies, you will see that the wirings is literally hanging down. Drainage is also too bad.
Their wirings are literally overhead here.
Okay.
Many fire incidences have happened before also. Many libraries have faced this issue, and then they have put up some regulations on them. But again, libraries were open.
Generally, it is said that in the fire safety audit that any basement or any institute should have separate entry and separate exits. But sir, it is not the condition here. NOC is given, as we can see that in the case of Rao's, as the NOC was given for storeroom, but they were operating it as a library. Then other areas also in the basement, libraries are there, student PGs are there, many people. Mess are there, bookstores are there. So I would like to urge that a proper safety audit should be conducted for all the buildings and basements.
My question is that here the students who are studying will be the future bureaucrats.
Right.
Right. Why government, why Delhi government, MCD, whatever, is so ignorant about the future bureaucrats?
Because we are not the voter of here, na.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the
Okay.
point.
That's
We
why
are
our
we are
issues
from
are-
somewhere else.
But there are lots of localites also who studied here.
Yeah, the point
They
is
have,
that
they have
many
localites only have made it the
many
business,
residents
right?
have
They
already
have many
complained.
residents of there,
Okay.
so they charge high rents.
Okay.
So it's their motive only. So that's why they don't raise our issues and
Before
our
this
concerns.
incident in Raus, where there's like we have also knew about this incident happening in Patel Nagar,
Yeah.
where the students were was electrocuted. Were there any kind of incidents before too?
Yeah, in the Mukherjee Nagar there was fire incident.
Okay.
Last year also in Karolbagh, a hotel that was under fire. Many people died. Around 20 they were died. At that time also many libraries were shut down. But again, due to the rampant corruption, now we can see that because of this,
Bulldozers are here.
now the bulldozers are there. Now their eyes are open.
Okay.
Many residents, forget about the students, but many residents have already complained, but no one is paying heed to them.
How long this protest will continue?
Until and unless our demands are not fulfilled.
What is your demand?
The first is the immediate compensation should be provided to students from Raus IAS and government also. The second is police and administration should give us the correct information about the evidence happened. With the proofs, they should tell us that this number of deaths have occurred, and so that there will be not any rumors among the students and among the people. And strict legal action should be provided against those who are responsible for this issue happened, and complete overhauling of wiring and drainage system should be done as soon as possible, because if again after a year this issue occurs, then it will be a problem and it will be a tragedy again. So we don't want to any tragedy occur again. And which are the reforms we need, which are in a long due, those are the audit of buildings and basement should be conducted for the safety of students, and the rent here, which is like
Yeah,
the
quite high,
3 to 4 times higher. The higher rent they charge, this issue should be addressed with the Delhi Rental Agreement Act. There should be something legal about this, so that owners don't charge whatever they want, and there should be strict regulation about it.
Ma'am, as you see, the students are protesting here. They have a very fair demand that these things, whatever the mishap has happened, should be the government should take care of these things. There will be no more mishap again in the future, and this rent, which is quite high, like 3 to 4 times high. There are accommodations issues, also issues in the coaching institutes also. This should be properly be taken care of. Why you are here and why you are supporting the students?
We are here as a march of solidarity with the students. We want to show to the country that this genre is different. We are aspirants, we are not protesters. Firstly, all the students from whichever fraternity, whether they are coming from institutions, whether they are coming from universities, whether they are coming from ORN, whether they are coming from South Campus, North Campus, we all are one. This is a common movement which needs reforms for coaching centers, for administration, for legislators, for individuals, for this society and ecosystem of old Rajendra Nagar, Karol Bagh and Patel Nagar.
Right.
We want to tell the students that as a teachers community, we are there with them. There is no conflict between teachers and students, neither between teachers and institutions. All of us are a bridge together,
Right.
and we will achieve. The only aim is to reform whatever mishappenings are there.
Right.
There is no anger against anybody,
Right.
because these are the students who want to enter the system.
Obviously.
If they didn't believe the system, they wouldn't have even thought of taking
Right.
the civil services.
Right, right.
So there is nothing against any system.
Right.
We believe the system as students. I'm sure
You
all
want just
of
want a
them.
reform.
Yes,
Reform of
we
the
want
system.
only change, and all of us are united in
Right.
that. The students are united, the teachers are united, everybody is together. Be it from any fraternity, भले वो JNU से है, DU से है, इंडिया के कोई भी पार्ट से कोई भी
Right.
बच्चा है जो इस एग्जाम को लिखता है, या
जो UPSC का बच्चा है, हाँ.
many also reside here who
Right.
face day to day problems.
Right.
वो प्रॉब्लम डेली की है, जो
Right.
बच्चे खुद यहाँ पे लिविंग भी करते हैं, नॉट ओनली दी ऑन, तो उनकी भी कुछ कंसर्न्स है जिसको एड्रेस करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Right.
बिकॉज कुछ बच्चे यूनिवर्सिटी में बैठ के एग्जाम देते हैं, लेकिन जो बच्चे यहाँ भी हैं, ठीक है, उनकी भी कोई स्पेसिफिक कंसर्न्स है. ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर नीड टू एड्रेस दैट. दैट्स ऑल वी ऑल हियर फॉर टुडे.
Ma'am, this is like it happened in the Raus IAS. how many of the institutions or buildings or the PG accommodations are here which are not properly maintained?
Sir, I think everybody here is not under regulation. We don't want to blame it at one institute. That is the problem. If we do that, everybody is at fault somewhere. It's the whole system, the administration, the institutions, everybody is at fault. So we don't have to make anyone the scapegoat. अगर रिफॉर्म आना है तो सब में आएगा, तभी बच्चों का भला होगा. अगर हम सोचे कि हम एक इंस्टीट्यूशन के ऊपर टारगेट करके चेंज लाएंगे तो वो नहीं आएगा. वो सब कहने की बात है.
Do you think that government will listen your voice?
Yes, obviously, government has always listened, and we will make the government our voice listening.
Thanks a lot. Thank a lot. Thank a lot.